put the gun down. The sheriff will be here in a minute, okay? You want a dip? You want a dip? I got a dip. You just want a cigarette? You want a sun drop? The sheriff will be here in just a minute.
Sheriff will be here in just a second, man, okay?
Hey, look, don't, why? Why, Casey? The sheriff's coming. The sheriff's coming, Casey. Well, look, just calm down for me. Well, look. Just calm down for me, brother. The sheriff will be here in just a minute, okay? Alright?
Sheriff's getting off on the Tanner exit.
Hey, it looks like it. Look, calm down for me, brother. Calm down, alright? Casey, the sheriff will be here in just a minute. Can you put the gun down? Casey, put the gun down. Casey. Casey, talk to me, brother.
Who is that?
This is Deputy Foxworthy. We met a long time ago. Don't you remember? Not yet. You know me. You've met me several times, brother. Look, just put the gun down and it's no need in all this. The sheriff... I'm listening. I'm here. I want to talk to you. Okay, well, just listen. Okay. I'll back up. You want me to back up a little bit? I just want to talk to you. I can't hear too good. I just want to talk to you.
Calm down. Alright?
No.
Sheriff's here now, man. Sheriff just pulled up.
Casey, you calm down. We're going to back up a little bit, okay? We ain't going to shoot you.
No,